Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better give a treat that's good to eat if you want to keep life serene. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat the whole night through. Little scowl.
And there will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, 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 oh Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord. And there will come a poet whose weapon is a sword. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, 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 oh Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, oh Lord.
Hi, I'm Nicole and I like to make smoothie bowls. I also really like flowers, so I'm just gonna slide these into frame right here. Okay, y'all have been asking me for a pumpkin spice smoothie bowl, which sounds awesome, but I had no idea how to do it, so I have no idea if this recipe is gonna work out. I'm kind of just throwing random things in the blender right now and I'm hoping for the best. Okay, the color is spot on. We nailed that. Now here we go with the signature swirl. Y'all know me, I think smoothie bowls are basically a vehicle for topping. So we're gonna do some pumpkin spice JoJo's and some pumpkin cookies from Trader Joe's and then, yep, pumpkin spice mochi. There it is. Then we're also gonna do this pumpkin spice RX bar because you can never have too much pumpkin spice. And finally, we're gonna do some pumpkin spice peanut butter drizzle. There's that signature spin. You guys, oh my gosh, it's the most beautiful bowl I've ever seen and it's so thick. But the real question is now is how does it taste? Oh my gosh, best smoothie bowl I've ever made. Seriously, I put the full recipe in my Instagram if you want it.
Today we're skipping right to fall and learning how to make this delicious Starbucks copycat pumpkin sauce. You'll need pumpkin pie spice, sweetened condensed milk, pumpkin puree, milk, and vanilla extract. In a small bowl, add the condensed milk, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, and if you want a stronger taste, add an extra half a teaspoon, vanilla extract, and milk, and give it a good mix. Now you can add the sauce into your drinks, you can use it in French toast, you can make desserts with it. The possibilities are endless and tasty. If you love this recipe and want to see more, make sure you're following here and on Instagram. It truly means so much to me.
This is my favorite fall recipe and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Take one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree and mix that with 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and that's me pointing out that I also added a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up and then put it into a greased pan. And yeah guys, I know it's not fall, but this recipe makes me happy and 2020 sucks. So take your favorite yellow cake mix and sprinkle it right on top and then just pat it down. We're not gonna mix it, just pat it in. Next we're gonna top with pecans. We don't measure pecans, you guys, we measure that with our heart. So sprinkle in to your delight and then 2 melted sticks of butter. Throw it in the oven at 350 for about an hour. Oh my gosh, it comes out so bubbly and yummy and like caramelized. Obviously that was a dump cake recipe, so why would I even bother cutting it? Just scoop that out. Top it with some Cool Whip or ice cream or even caramel. Enjoy.
I feel that I should say. I feel that I should say, but words can wait until some other day.
I told y'all there's food at home. Let's make some mozzarella sticks. This one is for all y'all picky eaters. Get your breadcrumbs, cheese, seasonings, and boom, mix it all together. Slice up that cheese into about 10 even pieces. Now the coating is crucial, y'all. You're gonna dip it, shake it, coat it. Shake, repeat, okay? Put them in the freezer for a little bit, then we're gonna fry the sticks until they nice and golden brown, just like my skin. That was funny, no? See how easy that was? I want to hear no complaints, all right? Follow and share for more recipes.
Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm sharing one of the most popular recipes on my website, pumpkin cream cheese swirl muffins. They're an amazingly moist, I know y'all hate that word, pumpkin muffin with cream cheese swirled on top that bakes right into the top, kind of like a self-frosting cupcake. Oh, they're so good. So we're gonna start with some sugar and brown sugar and eggs and whisk that together. And then we're gonna add in some pumpkin. You want 100% pure pumpkin, don't buy pumpkin pie mix. We got vegetable oil, vanilla extract. We're gonna whisk those together. And then we're gonna add some flour. And we're gonna add a little pumpkin pie spice. We're gonna add some baking soda and a pinch of salt. Go ahead and stir that together. And then we're gonna add cream cheese and sugar and eggs and a little vanilla extract to a bowl. Beat that together till it's smooth. And then we're gonna put our pumpkin muffin into the liner, the batter. And then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of the cream cheese on top. I swirl it around with a toothpick and bake them. They're that easy and so good.